Now more than ever, building trusted relationships and maintaining a solid reputation depends on delivery of outstanding and increasingly distinctive client experiences. Professional services firms need to embrace new levels of transparency and build a workplace where it's easy for them to see all client interactions and understand internal resource availability during key decision-making phases. Let's look at how Microsoft Dynamics 365 empowers Contoso, a leading consultancy and services organization, to optimize their operations and engage with their clients. Spencer Lowe is a partner at Contoso. He begins his day by checking his emails. He's pleased to see an email from Victoria Jones, his primary contact at a key client account, Fabrikam. The email confirms they'd like to meet Spencer to discuss their audit requirements. Directly from Outlook, he views the details held in Dynamics 365 linked to the opportunity. This includes the estimated revenue, close date and owner. It also shows all recent activities and interactions with Victoria and provides click-to-call capability using Skype for Business. In preparation for the meeting, Spencer navigates to the opportunity record. This provides a full breakdown of the opportunity, including summary information, an activity log of all communications, plus a list of all key stakeholders and their roles. Spencer is keen to dig a little bit deeper on the client account. He does this by moving to the single client view. Here, he can immediately gain an insight into firm-wide interactions with Fabrikam. Any items he may have missed are flagged on the timeline. The Intelligent Relationship Assistant further supports Spencer and advises on the next best actions to take. Now he's prepared, he heads to the meeting. Let's watch how Spencer can continue to utilize Dynamics 365 using his mobile device. At the meeting, Victoria and the Fabrikam team outline their engagement requirements and confirm their interest in Contoso. Spencer uses the Dynamics 365 mobile app on his tablet device. The app provides the same user experience as the desktop, meaning Spencer remains as productive whilst out with clients as he is in the office. He uses the Notes section to add a note and then completes the follow-up task linked to the meeting. The meeting concludes and everyone agrees it was very productive. Now let's watch how Dynamics 365 helps Spencer to progress this opportunity back at the office. To produce an accurate engagement proposal, Spencer needs to collaborate with his colleagues. He uses the Teams space within Dynamics 365 to do this. The Teams space contains all documentation linked to the opportunity and lists all scheduled meetings. Spencer uses the conversation thread to update the group of the meeting outcomes, and each group member is notified. Veronica, the operations manager at Contoso, sees an email from Spencer and begins putting together a plan for the engagement. She uses a template to build the engagement plan and identifies the qualified resources across the business, all from within Dynamics 365. She adds Spencer to the engagement, checks the quotation details and updates Spencer. An accurate proposal can now be shared with the client and, importantly, Contoso can view the profitability of the engagement. The client accepts the proposal and all Contoso resources booked to the engagement are automatically notified. Spencer kicks off the engagement and upon completion of the task, he updates his timesheet. The flexible time entry capability caters for import from resource bookings and import from his Outlook calendar. He can also use his mobile phone for time and expenses whilst out of the office. As soon as time is submitted by the project team and is approved, it becomes work in progress. Using the flexible billing engine, an invoice is scheduled and sent to the client, or exposed on the client portal. Contract performance is updated in real time in Dynamics 365. Contoso can analyze management information directly from Dynamics 365, including overall firm performance, engagement profitability, and effort against budget, using the real-time interactive dashboard presented in the engagement. This brings us to the end of this video, during where we have seen how Microsoft solutions will help Contoso empower teams by enhancing productivity to deliver on-time, under-budget client engagements, increase profitability by maximizing resource utilization, deepen client engagement by providing relationship transparency and intelligence to make the right decisions at the right time, and optimize growth by instilling a culture of informed decision-making focused on firm profitability.